Hey you guys, it's Peter and welcome to my channel. Peter, boom, 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 review stuff. And today, boom. And today I have a very special guest with me. I have my husband, Alex. And Alex suggested that we do this review video. He's actually come up with many ideas of things that you guys might see on this channel. You've got some ideas for this channel and you've got some ideas for just the main channel too, right? Peter Monn channel?
Well, I mean, like that steamer was my idea.
The steamer.
The face steamer.
Oh, the face moist. Yeah, because you bought that the other day. Yeah. So you might see some. Other special appearances from my husband, as well as the dogs. The other thing I want to say before I get into this video today, because we're going to do a food thing. I'm real excited about this. This is something I've had these before, but I haven't had this like specific brand. But tomorrow at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on my YouNow, which is younow.com/Peter Monn. It's a free app. It's free to get on the computer. You don't have to pay anything for it. At 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, our True Crime Book Club, Mel and I, are hosting a live discussion of the Tiger King. So if you want to come over there and talk about the Tiger King and Carol Baskin, and if you think she did it, a lot of people are coming in costume, I've heard. So I'm real excited about that. All right, so what are we reviewing today?
Macaroons.
Alex had these macaroons delivered to us, and this is from, what's it called?
The Macaroon Bar.
The Macaroon Bar.
And they have them in a few cities. Like, I think like they have them clearly here in Indy, and then they have them in like Illinois, Louisville, Cincinnati, and a couple other ones.
Can you kind of show this stuff? So it's real pretty.
So this is a box of 6, and that is a box of 12.
You hold up one box, I'll hold the other box, and we'll get a thumbnail. The thumbnail is the most important part. Did you know that? That's such a family friendly, Alex. My God. Okay.
God, I was eating.
What's in here? What's in here, though?
So they have currently, so that you can stay social distance.
I like cookies.
Friendly, and cautious. They have specials. And I have nothing to do with this. I like literally just saw this on Instagram, and I was like, I'm hungry.
Yeah, this isn't sponsored.
So, so Macaroon Bar, if you watch this and you like it, you can find me, not him.
Me. Okay.
But anyway, so like they do, like if you buy 6, you get 6 free, or if you buy 12, you get like 12 free or something like that. So anyway, or if you buy 24, whatever. So these are the free ones. So I just got extra of the ones that we were
how exciting. Now you were in the kitchen eating one yesterday, weren't you?
I ate 3.
Which kind have you had already? That's cheats.
Why is it cheating? We're not guessing the flavor.
Well, but we're like supposed to like savor the palate for the first time ever. Can we just talk about something even more important? Can we just talk about how cute it is? I set the table, and can I just tell you that we even have little plates. Very small plates for very small eaters. These are actually demitasse cup saucers, but I think they would be perfect. Because look, then a macaroon just sits right in the middle of it. You have to think about the details about these things.
Yeah, well, I mean,
okay,
clearly it's in shot.
Let's get in. Family friendly. Okay, let's get into, which one should we start first? I don't even know.
Well, I mean, like, it's just whichever flavor you want. I think I order us, like, basically one of each so we can try, like...
Oh, my Lord!
They currently have, like, 13 or 12 flavors, and, like, they were out of a couple, so...
We should do the thumbnail again. You do it again like the box that you were doing before. How you were doing it with your mouth, though.
Oh. You want me to deep throw the box?
Alex, family friendly, my Lord, you can't be saying those things on video.
Look, I'm peeling it back. Oh my God.
I'm losing my macaroons. The most important part is the thumbnail. People know that. Are you ready? Okay, go. Okay, that was good. All right, so I don't know. Clean up as you go. That means get it on the floor for the dogs. Okay. Now, people have asked me if these are vegetarian. Apparently, they're not vegan because they're egg whites and all that kind of stuff, but they are vegetarian. Okay. So, Madagascar vanilla, coconut, coffee, cinnamon roll. Ooh, that one sounds real good. I am excited about that one. Dark chocolate, salted caramel, lemon lavender. Ooh, that one sounds cool. Mimosa. That's probably like your favorite, don't you think?
Maybe.
If they had a White Claw one, you'd probably love it. Black raspberry chocolate. Or if they had like, what's that wine that you drink? What's that red wine? I never know.
Malbec.
A Malbec. If they had a Malbec on here, he'd probably love it. Okay. Black raspberry chocolate, red velvet, birthday cake, Earl Grey tea. Oh, that's kind of fun.
You don't have Earl Grey tea here.
Why don't you have one? You have it on there.
It's not, do you see it on physically? You have one.
I don't have half the ones that you do.
Sweetie, you have them all.
Okay, but like, I don't have that color. Oh,
What
yes,
color?
I do. It's right there. Okay, so what should we try first?
You go for it.
Have you already tried the vanilla though, haven't you?
It's good. Why are you covering your nose? Does it smell bad?
You don't do that. Okay. But like, are we gonna eat every single cookie or are we just gonna take a bite out of each one?
I don't know, just pick.
Okay.
This is your channel. I mean,
It was your idea.
I don't direct.
It was your idea. I think okay. I thought this was just okay. I didn't think it was fantastic.
Okay. I liked it. I mean, I like a vanilla.
Out of 5, what would you give it? I give it a 3. It was just fine.
I don't know, a solid 4.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, let's try the birthday cake one.
I tried that one already. It was really good.
This is so exciting.
I give it a 5.
Okay. This is what the birthday cake one looks like. It has little... Okay. Yeah.
Isn't that what they do?
Make a church steeple with it. Okay. We're not
Oh my
churchly.
god. I can't say it.
Well,
I was just gonna make an Easter reference.
well, okay.
But I might offend the, non-Christians.
That tastes up straight up on birthday cake.
Straight up.
It was just really good. Okay, I'm just gonna eat a little bit of each one. Let's go on. Where's the cinnamon roll? Oh, there it is. Let's try the cinnamon roll one.
Oh, look, I don't have it.
Are you putting it on your plate? Are you putting it on your plate?
I don't have a
I
cinnamon.
made dinner. Okay.
I don't have a cinnamon roll.
Why don't you have a cinnamon roll?
Because I didn't get one of each for me.
Okay, well, here, I'll give you half of this. There.
Okay.
Ooh, it smells good. It smells just like a cinnamon roll. And that's my favorite so far.
No?
Yeah, birthday cake is 4. That gets 5 out of 5. That knocks it out of the park for me. It tastes just like...
It actually tastes like a peppermint stick. Like the gum, like the cinnamon gum.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, it does. Oh, it really does. Yeah,
Big-
more than a cinnamon roll.
Big red.
Big red, yeah. Good thing I brought the water and made the plates. Okay, let's try, which one sounds good? Well, let's do the lemon lavender one. That one sounds really good, doesn't it? I don't think I have it.
It's the yellow one.
It's this one? I guess. Let's try that. You got it? Okay. All right, cheers.
Do you just want to have like, do you have what, half and I have half so we can still keep it?
You know what? That's so smart.
It's like
Well, we're 3 cookies in and you just thought about it. That one is delicious.
macaroons.
That one is delicious. Mmm. Family friendly. Okay, that one's better than the birthday cake. Yeah. I'm 4.5.
Very refreshing.
I do like lemon. Can you taste the lavender in it though?
Yeah.
But I like lavender. Okay, Earl Grey Tea. Oh, look, it's spotted. It's spotted.
Gold leaves.
This is so fun. I guess we won't be making that Gino's Pizza for dinner tonight that I was thinking about.
Is that what you wanted for dinner?
I was thinking it. I mean, it's not like we can get a Cheesecake Factory. Okay.
I like this one. It's very refined.
It literally tastes like nothing.
It has like a really clean taste. Fresh. Very light.
It does taste like tea.
Like if you like have like bougie friends, this is what you give them.
Yeah, but we don't.
I don't know what to. I don't know, it tells me that like, I like to go on vacation.
It does taste, I mean, it does really taste like tea. Yeah,
It's like, oh, I have an accent.
I'm kind of surprised how, you do have an accent. I'm kind of surprised how similar to, like, I don't love pistachio. Should we try that one? You have one. Let's try it. Sometimes the ones I don't like the taste of in real life, I end up like loving in person. Oh, that's interesting. The cream is different on the inside, the color.
They usually are. I will deep throw that.
Alec! Family friendly!
Whoa!
There are kids watching this.
They didn't learn it from me.
You're not gonna eat your birthday cake when, oh, you're putting it in your box, make your box all nice.
Yeah.
What's that one that we got like 3, purple? What's purple? That pistachio is nasty. If you don't like pistachio, you're not gonna like it. I don't like pistachio, it was nasty.
It is the money shot.
I give it.
What?
This is a family-friendly channel.
What's money shot?
You know, like at the...
So that's why you're reacting?
Okay, can we just go
People don't know that.
People know that, trust me.
All
You'll see
right.
in the comments section.
Put it in the comment sections below.
Okay, what's the purple one? Is that black? Does it have spots on it?
Black raspberry chocolate.
I don't usually love mixes like that. And I don't like red velvet either. Do you like red velvet?
Mm-hmm. Mm. Mm.
Mm-mm. Mm-mm.
You know, chocolate.
You know what it reminds me of? You know when you get your Valentine's Day box of candy, and you get that one, that cherry, the one that you don't like. That's what it is, cherry cordial.
It does sound like, tastes like cherry.
Mm.
It would probably taste good with wine.
That was horrible. Okay, we've done the pistachio, the Earl Grey, the birthday cake.
It's not for me.
We have to do the red velvet. Here it is. People are like, I'm so over them chewing sounds. Them chewing sounds, those chewing sounds.
What's this kind of video? It's
ASMR.
ASMR. Oh my god, you should get a mic and we should do.
No.
We should do.
I was gag a maggot if I listen to somebody chew up close on microphone.
ASMR videos.
That doesn't even taste like anything to me. Like, I can't even, like, if you ate that and said, what does this taste like to me? Like, I wouldn't have even known.
It tastes like a baby shower.
I don't know, like baby shower cake?
Yeah, like it's like I just like see a bunch of girls like just sitting around drinking mimosas, like clapping.
Well, speaking of, let's try mimosa. What's that one?
Is it, or is it salted caramel?
No, that's this one. Or is it that one? That's vanilla. Or coconut.
No, they were out of coconut.
Well, mimosa's in has to be the orangish one. Yeah.
Okay.
You want to try? You got 2. You gonna try it? Split it in half?
Can you have it?
Yes, I can have it.
Okay, can you explain that to the viewers?
Because I don't drink alcohol. But it's in food, so.
So there's no really alcohol in it.
Ooh.
It does not taste like mimosa, but it's very tangerine-y.
That was really good.
Mm-hmm.
Is it tangerine? Is that on here?
Well, not tangerine, like orangey.
It does taste real citrusy.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Well, what is a mimosa? It's a champagne and orange juice, right?
Correct.
So that would...
Makes
it
sense.
kind of tastes a little sparkly, I guess. Do we have any left?
We have the dark chocolate.
What about coffee? What is this? Coffee! Oh my god, I turned it over and look, it has these green stripes
Is it
on it.
coffee?
Yeah, see? Well, what is it?
Coffee.
Okay. These macaroons are messy. That was really good. Yeah. That's 5 out of 5. I think we should just end it on that one, don't you think?
So,
Well, are there any more? What's that one?
dark chocolate.
That looks like salted caramel.
Also salted caramel.
Okay, let's try it.
Oh, I'm still chewing, can you?
I was gonna say I'll wait till you finish, but then I was gonna have to say family friendly.
Because you want to bring more awkward attention to a comment that's not dirty.
That's kind of what I do.
Oh.
It's salted caramel. It has to be. Maybe?
I think it's dark chocolate. Very chocolatey.
Maybe? I don't know.
I really like that one.
I don't like it.
Mm.
Mm-mm. Well, what are your favorites so far? I have to say my favorites were, I would have really liked to try the coconut.
Well, sweetie.
We tried everyone but the coconut.
Mm-hmm.
What does your mom always say? You get what you get, and you don't throw a fit.
Good job.
She always says that. Okay, you like the pistachio and the Earl Grey.
And the birthday
cake.
And the mimosa.
And then I like the mimosa, the lemon lavender, the cinnamon roll.
Mm-hmm.
Those were my favorites.
The Madagascar vanilla was good too.
It was just plain. It just tasted okay. But anyway, so cheers. We goes. We host, guys. I mean, family friendly. We hope you guys enjoyed.
Do you feel bougie?
I feel so bougie now that I'm in.
Do you feel like an Instagram
A couture
blogger?
I do, and couture. Okay.
Like to know it.
Oh my god. Link it to like to know it. Okay, we're gonna get off here now. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys are staying safe and staying healthy. Don't forget tomorrow, the Tiger King, at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Love you guys, and I will see you then. Thank you so much for being in this video. Love you. Bye.
You guys read between the lines.